everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vidya from Millennial Mommyhood, and in my today's video I'm going to teach you how to make another Montessori material DIY, the easiest one of all, and trust me, it takes very less efforts. So before we start into everything, let me tell you what I'm going to make today. And if you have not seen my previous videos where I've made Montessori color tablets, I've also made Montessori rough and smooth tablets. So if you've not seen that, go and check it out right away. I've also made a pink tower as well, which I'll be posting very soon on this channel. Anyhow, all the details of whatever I have done, all the links are there in the description box. You can go and check it out. So before I start today's video, let me tell you what I'm going to make. So I'm going to make Montessori math rods, and these are actually rods of alternating colors of blue and red color, and this is something which is used as the basic of arithmetic, and it teaches the child the concept from 1 to 10 and how they differ from each other, their gradation, and so many other things. So how does this block or rod looks like? So they are actually 10 different sized rods, usually made out of wood, and that is why they are pretty costly. So these rods have alternating bands of colors, and the colors that Dr. Montessori have chosen is blue and red because that was something which was attracting children a lot compared to many other colors. She tried with many other colors. Earlier it was even green in color, like the whole thing was green in color, but now it is an alternating blue and red color because that was found to be more attracting to the children compared to the other colors. So these rods are actually, as I told you, they are 10 in number. They start with 10 centimeter and go up to 1 meter, which means 100 centimeter. So this first one, the one which represents unit 1, is 10 centimeter. The next will be 20 for 2, for third will be 30, 40, and so on. Now they are pretty fun to use. You give children to learn that in different ways. I'll do a detailed basically I'm going to do a detailed workshop. It's coming up very soon on how to use these materials and how to incorporate it in present Montessori life, not like something which was done long back or which is done in school, but how to do it at home in your convenience, the most easiest way which any parent can understand. I'll come up with that very soon. I'm working on it. It's a whole big course plan, workshop plan, and that takes a lot of effort. So I'm giving you a a trailer of that. I'm announcing it that I'm coming up with that soon, and I hope that you will be interested to join. Anyhow, to start with, I have used something very similar to what math rod looks like, but if you compare the price of math rods in the market, it comes something like this, nowhere lesser than 1,000 rupees. So I thought, why not replicate it in a cheaper way so that others can also basically invest or maybe try, or if anybody is interested in doing DIYs, you can try and try to get the same thing made. So after giving it a lot of thought, I thought maybe I can go for wooden rods. Maybe I should go and get some carpenter cut pieces of wooden rods and bring it and then paint it. So that could have taken a lot of efforts. Finally I came up with something, and that is this one, and I'm sure that you guys would have seen these things. They look like this. Can you see how long it is? They look like this, and these are used to put the wire the electrical wires and cables inside. Like you would have seen it being fixed to the wall so that all the wires goes inside and does not look kind of messy outside. So this is the same thing. This comes very cheap. This whole long thing I got for 50 rupees. I need one more of this, so basically 100 rupees. And I'm not going to paint on top of it because painting takes up a lot of efforts. So instead I have taken these kinds of electrical tapes. I'm sure this also you will get. This I got for 20 rupees each. So this was like 20, and this was 100, so 140 rupees in all, and my Montessori math rod is all set to go. So this is one method. Now I'll teach you how I'm going to do this. So I'm going to measure it properly. Starting with 10 centimeter, I'll put a 10 centimeter mark here and I'll cut it. Then 20 centimeter, cut it. 30 centimeter, cut it. So like that I'm going to have 10 different rods. Once that is done, I'm going to have this alternate band of colors, just like how the Montessori math rod looks like, and we'll see how it turns out to be. So this is one method which you can do below like 150 rupees or maybe 200 rupees at max. But do not try to buy these kinds of pipe in Amazon, because I tried there and they are so pricey that you won't believe that this one thing which you get for 50 to 100 rupees in local market, in local electrical shop and hardware shop, they are selling it for 3000 rupees, 3000, 4000, 5000. The prices goes on, I don't know why. So maybe the quality may be different or whatever, but you can just hunt down any electrical shop near your house and you can get something just like this. I have taken this width. You get it in different sizes, but I've taken this one because this is almost similar to the math rod that we use. And yeah, that's it. So I will make this and I'll show you how it looks. Now there are other ways as well to make math rod, and the next way is to again cut cardboard pieces in the same length and paint it, or maybe covering it with tape is the easiest option, because painting takes a lot of efforts. And that is one option. That is the second option, that is you take cardboard pieces and you measure them just like how I'm going to measure and cut this one, and have the alternate band of colors and everything. That is the second option. The next option is to take printout. So don't need to color. If it is a colored printout, get it laminated and cut it. These are like different ways that you can try out, but I feel this was something which was very catchy and I wanted to do this one so badly because it feels good. I mean, this one feels a bit good and it feels easier to make also. So now I'll make this and I'll show you how it looks. So watch the video full. And here it is. I finally completed it. It took me I can't actually tell how much time it took, because I was just randomly sitting and doing it. Whenever I was getting time, I was coming and doing that. But yeah, finally it's over. So it's a group of 10 rods starting from 10 centimeter to 100 centimeter. So you can calculate how much is needed, and you can buy the same kind of rods as I showed you from any of the electrical shops or hardware shops near your house. It's pretty easy to get. It's not something which is very tough. Now I'll just arrange this and I'll show you how good it looks, and it's really nice. And I think I need to introduce this to Dhruv. I'm not sure how he's going to take it, because the first time that I'm giving him. But when yesterday I was doing this, he was sitting and counting the numbers, which I felt good. Okay, so let's see then how it takes. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment below what you want to see next.